Shyla, and for the International Food Festival, I will be representing Argentina, and for the dish I'm making, I am making dulce de leche. Dulce de leche is commonly used in desserts and snacks all over Argentina. To make this dessert, you will need condensed milk, a pot or pan, boiling water, and maybe a utensil to help you put the can into the water. You will want to wait until the water is at a full boil. Then you take a utensil and place the can into the water. I am making the classic version of dulce de leche. For this, you'll need 4 cups of milk, 1 1/4 cups of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir together the ingredients in a saucepan and bring to a boil. Then reduce heat and simmer uncovered, stirring occasionally until caramelized and thickened. This will take about an hour and a half to 2 hours. After about an hour, stir more often as milk caramelizes to avoid burning. Stir in 1 teaspoon vanilla. Transfer to a bowl to cool. This is the classic version, and this is a different version making. In the end, we will show you both versions and compare them. It's halfway done, the dulce de leche, and obviously I had parent supervision because, well, you can't do this by yourself. You're gonna burn yourself. So yeah, halfway done with this one, and I think that one's almost done. These are the 2 versions. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!